Home Show.
Laura from Clear Lake has a question about replacing her baseboards.
Well, it's not hers. Her daughter in Austin has a 30-year-old house, Tom, and she got a problem. Laura writes, while having the tile replaced in her entryway, the installers ripped up the baseboard molding, destroying most of it. She says, we tried to replace it, but can't find a match. They went to all the home centers, and they're not going to have anything special. So I brought a piece back to Houston in hopes of finding a match. She doesn't want to have to replace all the moldings. Do you have any suggestions where she could find that kind of millwork?
Oh, my goodness. Here in Houston, and yeah, you're not going to find them at Lowe's or Home Depot. Let's face it, those are the two big boys, and they're going to have only what they move and very little of it. And quite frankly, right now, there is it's getting worse and worse, a huge shortage of lumber. So that's not going to be coming back in full strength until about March or April. But here in Houston, you have Montauban lumber, you have McCoy's, you have Stallman lumber, you have a BMC millwork, you have Bison millwork. You've got the specialty places that the contractors go to, and they're more than happy to work with homeowners too. So grab that piece and start finding these places. It's more than I can, give you every name right here on this, what we're doing here. But they're out there. It's just stay away from Lowe's and Home Depot. It's not going to be the place.
Go to the specialty hardware or lumber yards.
Lumber
like you're
yards,
talking about.
builder supplies.
And I guess it was a BMC. Is that the big one?
BMC is huge. It's over on 249 by RCW Nurseries.
Right.
And then you have Bison, which actually is a mill shop. They'd actually make it for you if you wanted to make a few pieces. You'll say, oh, but that's so expensive. It is, but it's more expensive to replace every baseboard in the house to match. Right. So sometimes you pay premium for 5 pieces as opposed to redoing the entire house.
Right.
So it can balance out fine, but you can get it. It's just a matter of Home Depot and Lowe's is not the answer.
Well, you're a good mom for helping your daughter out and going to that kind of trouble and trying to keep that house looking authentic, as so many things in Austin are. All right. Do you have a question? We'll be able to help you out. Visit HomeShowRadio.com and fill out that Ask Tom form and send it in. We'll answer it in a video just like we post them, by the way, every day on our Facebook page, our YouTube channel, and HomeShowRadio.com.